Is that a glass of vodka in your hand?
Yes, it is a double vodka and coke. So what?
I am arresting you on suspicion of being in possession of an extremely dangerous drug.
What? Is this a joke? Get lost. I'm just having a drink and being merry.
I'm afraid so. You are aware that alcohol kills around 21,000 people in the UK each year?
We shouldn't criminalize people just because a drug is dangerous. Besides, if alcohol were banned, people will still use it. If you make alcohol illegal, the alcohol could be contaminated with something even more toxic that could kill people. The alcohol might then be of an unknown strength, and that could kill people too. Or it might then contain methanol, which could make people go blind.
Don't answer back to me, Sonny.
Banning drugs creates a huge billion-pound illegal industry, which is used to fund organized crime like people trafficking, etc. It destabilizes countries and causes wars. A crackdown by the military on the cocaine cartels in Mexico over the last 3 years created conflict that killed 15,000 people. This is all a result of these insane policies of prohibition.
So what? Alcohol is a dangerous drug, therefore it should be illegal. You and millions other alcohol users should be under arrest and threatened with jail terms. You should receive a criminal record for your alcohol use that will blight your chances in life. You are a criminal, you're low-life scum.
By supporting prohibition of alcohol, you have destroyed the alcohol industry. No longer can I savor the flavor of fine wines. My choices are limited to either strong white cider brewed in a bathtub, or alcohol removed from screen wash, that I'm supposed to use on my car. You've done exactly the same thing with cannabis. All I can get hold of is crappy weed sprayed with glass, or resin coated in petrol. Why can't I sample the wide variety of cannabis strains they have in Holland?
You're lucky I didn't give you the death sentence for trafficking this dangerous drug called alcohol. There are people in Malaysia who are executed for trafficking similar quantities of safer drugs like cannabis. Count yourself lucky, punk.
Screw you. Due to the way you're treating me, I have no respect for the law or authority. Plus, I love brewing beer at home, and will never stop.
You are brewing beer too?
Yes, I produce several barrels of beer a year for a few friends.
Production of a drug is a very serious offense. It is not unusual to receive a prison sentence for production of a drug. For example, many people are sent to prison for growing cannabis in their houses, including some people who grow it to treat the symptoms of diseases like cancer and MS. These are very dangerous people.
You are one crazy sicko policeman who sends sick people to prison for an activity that harms nobody. You and those corrupt politicians should be the ones in jail.